Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
My screen is not visible to everyone.
No, ma'am. It is visible, ma'am.
It's visible only, Kana.
Miss, no, miss, I cannot see, miss.
It's not visible. Okay, just go out and join again.
Yes, miss.
Good morning, all. Welcome to NCA. So here in today's session, we are going to start with our geography, right? So before entering into the topic, I just give a quick view of what we have seen in the last class. That is about the introduction for geography, about how many questions has been asked in geography. Fine. So this is the question pattern for standard 6th. So section A consists of mathematics, B is intelligence, C is English, and D is general knowledge. So for 6, only general knowledge. In that general knowledge, you will be having science and social science. Okay. So both combined, and it's been 25 questions has been asked from the both combined topics. Okay. So that is consist of 15 marks. When you take question pattern for the ninth, you have separate sections for general knowledge, that is general science as section D and social science in section E. So here for the ninth students who are giving an attempt for the ninth standard, you people should concentrate more on the social science part also, because from general science and social science each 25 questions, whereas for sixth it is only 25 questions combined together for science and social science. Okay, whereas it's not like this. Fine. So in ninth standard, you people want to concentrate more on general science and social science as well. Okay. So in this session, we are in geography classes, we are going to concentrate only on geography. Okay, that is the social science part. So for sixth, it is just being asked like 7 to 8 questions. Okay, 5 to 7. It's the range is like that. Whereas in social science, it's of 50-50. Fine. So that is from history and civics parts, it's 10 to 15 questions. At the same way, if it is less, based on that, in geography and economics part, it is being given like that. Okay. So here in today's class, we are going to start with the interior of the earth. Okay, this is the combined syllabus for both 6th and 9th. Our class will go like with 6th along with the 9th standard itself. Okay, so this is the combined syllabus for standard 6th and 9th. These are the topics which we need more understanding. Fine. So these are the topics which we need more understanding. That is from interior of the earth, atmosphere, resources of sustainable development, transport and communication, agriculture, natural vegetation and wildlife, climate change, earthquakes and major landforms, types of rainfall, types of forest, major grasslands, life in deserts and industries. Okay, these topics need more conceptual understanding. Fine. So beyond that, we have basic concepts for food, culture, language in India, settlements, farming, language, forest produce, energy resources. Okay, in these topics, in these 6 topics, if we understand the concepts, it will be easy for us to go through these concepts, these 6 topics. Okay, these topics will be provided. Yes, Kanna.
Ma'am, now visible, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So these
Miss,
6
this is
topics,
what, miss?
this is for geography syllabus. Okay, today only we are going to start with the class. Okay.
Miss, Sainik school, miss.
What, Kanna?
Okay. Miss, Sainik school, miss.
Yes, of course. Sainik school class only. Sainik entrance exam, for Sainik entrance exam only. Okay. Yes. these basic concepts, okay, these 6 concepts, if you understand the basic concept, that is the previous 13 topics, it will be easy for you to understand the other topics, okay, that is the remaining 6 topics. So that will be in the recorded session, or else you will be getting as an assignment, okay. Shall we start with the first one, interior of the earth?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. So first is interior of the earth. Just make notes, try to make notes while I am saying, okay. I'll provide you the notes, but even if you try to make notes, you will be it will be easy for you to go through your notes along with the what I am giving, okay.
Okay,
Fine.
ma'am.
So just make a note of the topic first, interior of the earth, okay. Hereafter, for you didn't I don't know who and all make a note of English, but for intelligence and what are the topics is, for the upcoming topics and all, for that is for upcoming subjects and all, you should maintain a separate
Miss,
note, okay. Yes, fine.
Miss,
Yes,
today is my first class, Miss.
yes, okay, fine. This is the first class for geography also, okay.
Okay,
Harish,
Miss.
yes,
Yes, Miss.
okay, okay, this is the first class for geography. Now only we are starting with the new topic, okay. From
Yes,
social
Miss.
science, yes, in social science we have history, civics, geography, and
Miss, other.
economics, okay.
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Miss, other subject what and all taken, Miss?
English and intelligence has been completed. Now only we are going to start with geography part.
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Don't worry, we will be having a separate session for intelligence and English also. We will be revising it often, fine? Because your examination will be on the 9th,
Okay, Miss.
sorry, October, January month only, no? That is in the
Yes,
January month,
Miss.
the forthcoming January month. So till then, till January, we will be revising those topics, okay? Along with intelligence and English, we will be covering all other subjects as well, okay?
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Yes. Okay, Kana. You already attend this classes, right? After a long time, you are coming, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Okay. Interior of the earth. What do you know about interior of the earth? What is interior of the earth? Anyone?
Ma'am, I know.
Yes, tell
Ma'am,
me.
ma'am, crust, mantle,
Yes.
core. Crust, mantle, core.
Okay, fine. It is made of crust, mantle, and core.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Crust, mantle, and core. It is the layers, right? So it is the
Yes, ma'am.
layers.
Crust
Interior
is
of the
the
earth. We have the outer crust, right?
inner,
Outer crust. Inside that we have the mantle.
middle layer, ma'am.
Then here only
Core.
the core.
Ma'am, the crust is the
Yes.
topmost layer and mantle is the middle layer. Core is the innermost layer.
Yes, of course, innermost layer. Fine. So we have separate things also. So crust is also known as the lithosphere. Right? That is the land where
Yes, miss.
we
It is
are.
the thinnest layer of
Yes, and
thinnest
also
layer
the
of the earth.
thinnest layer. Yes, of course. Good. So just wait. Yes, this is what the structure of the earth, that is the interior structure of the earth. When we
Yes,
take
miss.
a look of it, just take a look of it. Okay. Just try to
Yes,
draw
miss.
this in your notebook also. Okay. So this
Just 1
outermost
minute,
layer
miss.
is the crust. Okay. That is also the lithosphere. When you take innermost layer, that is the mantle. Then it is the core mantle boundary. For each and everything, we
Yes,
have
miss.
the boundary. Okay.
Boundary.
Yes. So the next is the inner core and the outer core. Inner core is
Miss,
different. That is the middle part. Okay.
miss, miss,
Yes.
inner core temperature is 5000 degrees Celsius and outer core degree is 2200 degrees Celsius.
Okay. That we will see later. Okay. That is what I'm going to say. Fine.
Yes, miss.
Okay. So when you take the crust is the outermost layer. Just make a note of this, Kanna. The crust is the outermost layer, that is the lithosphere. After that, we have the crust and the mantle boundary. After that, we have the mantle. Then we have the core mantle boundary. Then we have the outer core. Then we have the inner core. Inner core is the middle part. Okay, inner
Miss,
core.
can you say
Then the outer core. Then we have the core mantle boundary. Then after that, we have the mantle part. Okay. After that, we have the mantle. Then after that, we have the crust layer. Okay. In between, we have the crust and the mantle boundary. Okay. That we call this the asthenosphere. Okay.
this crust is the thinnest layer and then Miss?
Wait. I will tell you. I will give notes. Okay. Don't worry. I'll tell you. Just give a look of this picture and make a note of this picture. Okay. Just draw it. As a rough picture, you draw it. Okay. Make a note of where is inner core, where is outer core, where is the core mantle boundary, where is the mantle. Okay. Just try to remember in order. Crust, mantle core boundary, then outer core, then only the inner core. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, fine. So this is like just like an onion. Okay. When you take a big onion, if you peel it, how it is made
Yes, Miss.
of? It is of concentric layers, no? Everything is concentrated on one particular point, no? That is what the core here. Okay, one inside the other. So just like an onion, the earth is made up of several concentric layers. Okay, with one inside the other. Fine? Yes. Done? If you're done means we can move on to the next one.
Yes, Miss. Finished, Miss.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Harini, Dhananya Sri, completed Darshan. Yes, what about others? Completed or what?
Yes, ma'am. Now only I said yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am. Yes,
So the main mineral, okay? The main mineral, the uppermost, as we know, we have seen just now, we have
Miss,
seen, no? The
Miss,
uppermost
it is
layer of
also
the.
called. Miss, it is also called Sil.
Ah, yes.
Sil,
Okay.
silica and aluminium.
Yes. Just wait. Okay. Let me complete it. Then I can ask you. Okay, fine. Yes. The uppermost layer of the earth is called the crust, and it is the thinnest layer of all. Okay. It is actually about the crust layer is about 35 kilometers. Okay. Just make a note of it. The thinnest layer, that is the crust. Okay. It is about 35 kilometers.
Miss, that is continental mass or oceanic
Yes,
crust.
continental mass, and only 5 kilometers on the ocean floors. Okay,
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
ocean floors is 5 kilometers, whereas in the continental masses it is 35 kilometers.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, the uppermost layer of the earth is called the crust. Okay, that crust is the thinnest of all the layers, and it is about 35 kilometers. Okay, on the continental masses, and only about 5 kilometers on the ocean floors. When it is that, I will tell you later. Okay, just observe. Okay, fine. Yes. So the main mineral that constitutes of continental masses are the silica and aluminium. Okay, sorry, alumina. Okay, and this is called SiAl. That is silica and alumina. Okay, the main mineral. This is the main mineral. Fine. So the main mineral that constitutes of continental masses. Okay, Sial and alumina, silica and alumina. That is SiAl. That is silica. Si is for silica and Al is for alumina. Fine. Yes. Next is the oceanic crust. This mainly consists of what? Silica and magnesium. Okay. This
Yes,
mainly consists of
Yes,
silica and
Sima.
magnesium. Yes, Sina, that is SiMa, that is Si is for silica and Ma is for magnesium. Okay, just make a note of this one. So the main mineral after the crust, in the crust we are seeing, okay, the main mineral that constitutes the continental mass or silica and alumina, and the oceanic crust, it is made up of SiMa. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
SiMa. Just make a note of it. Do you understand this one? What it
Noted, ma'am.
constitutes? Yes.
Noted, ma'am.
Yes, Dana. Okay. What about others? Dhananya Sri,
It's
taken a
going to
screenshot?
complete it.
Okay, okay, fine. Complete it. No issues. Okay. Let me know once you're completed. That's it. Darshan, is that clear? What I'm saying? Darshan?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. Fine. Dhananya Sri? Dhananya Sri? Okay, fine. So shall we move on to the next one? Yes, now only Yuvaraj is
Yes, ma'am.
entering.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in this interior of the earth, below the mantle's crust, okay, that is below the crust, we have the mantle, no? That the depth of the mantle, okay, here that is the
2900.
depth of the mantle is about 2,900 kilometers. Imagine, okay, it's 2,900, it is 2,900 kilometers, that is below the crest. Okay, next is about the inner core, innermost layer. Okay, the innermost layer of the core radius is about the radius. We are talking about the radius. Okay, because it is in a spherical shape, right? Sphere, right? So when you say like that,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
want to measure in radius, the radius of about 3,500 kilometers. Okay, so it is mainly made up of nickel and iron. So that is NiFe. Nickel, Ni is for nickel and Fe is for ferrous. That is iron. Ferrous is nothing but iron only. Okay. So below the crest, we have the mantle that is extends up to the depth of 2,900 kilometers. The innermost layer of the core radius is about 3,500 kilometers, and it is mainly made up of an NiFe, that is
Ma'am.
nickel and ferrous.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, Kanna.
Ma'am, mantle is also two types or not, ma'am? Like crust to oceanic crust
Yes.
having no, ma'am.
No. Because the outer layer only we have the ocean region and the lithosphere. That is the land surface, the continental part. Whereas inner, everything is equal only. Everything is the same. Okay. There is nothing about the oceanic and the continental part of mantle. Okay.
Ma'am, upper mantle, lower
Can you
mantle,
explain
and
again, ma'am?
second not having, ma'am.
Yes, it's there, but here for till the in the exam point of view, they'll be asking like this one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you explain again, ma'am?
Yes, of course. Below the mantle, okay? Below the mantle. Just wait. Yes, below the mantle. Sorry, below the crest, okay? Below the crest. The outer layer is the crest, right? That is the lithosphere, where we are standing, where we have that land. So below that, we have the mantle. That mantle part is extending up to this, the length of the mantle, that this part, no? This is extending up to 2,900 kilometers. Okay, that is below the crest. It is about 2,900 kilometers. And innermost layer of the core, okay, innermost layer of the core, which have the radius. This is radius. What does mean by radius?
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
Just wait. Just wait, Kana. So if you take a circle, so from the middle point to the outer circumference, this is the radius, right? So this is small r. Okay, this is the radius, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If you take as a whole means what is this?
Diameter.
Diameter.
Yes, diameter. So radius of the this is what? Radius is radius of that inner core mantle. Sorry, inner core is radius of the inner core is about how much?
3,000.
Yes,
3,500.
3,500 kilometers, right?
Yes.
So the radius of the inner core, this is the inner core.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is about 3,500 kilometers. Okay, is this clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. This is only inner core. The outer we have the mantle, then we have the crust layer and all. Okay. Yes.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. And that inner core is mainly made up of nickel and iron. Okay, that is NiFe. That is being denoted as NiFe. That is Ni stands for nickel and Fe stands for ferrous. That is the ferrous is nothing but the iron. Okay,
Okay.
just make a note of it. So below the crest,
Noted,
just in
ma'am.
the diagram itself. Okay, just try to make note in the diagram itself. Fine. How means the crust layer, we have seen the crust layer. Okay, then in the mantle, this mantle part, this is about 2,900. So then the innermost layer is the radius. Okay, inner core radius. Okay, try to draw like this. And the inner core radius is about how much? 3,500. Radius means you want to mention like this. Okay, from the center point to this. Okay, like that you want to do. Fine. So innermost layer radius of the core is 3,500. And NiFe, that is inner core, just mention like this. Okay, just inner core, it is made up of NiFe. Separately, you write separately. Ni stands for nickel and Fe stands for ferrous. When you take for crest is Sial and Simar, no? SiAl. And you can also write Sima. So when it is the land surface, this is the land, no? This is the land region. For here, you can write SiAl. So this is the oceanic crust, that is the water presence. So that you can write as SiMa, like that you can write. Okay? Is that clear what I'm saying? So from the picture itself, you can denote everything.
Ma'am.
Yes, Kana.
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
What doubt? Tell me.
Ma'am, where humans and all living, ma'am? In mantle, core, or crust, ma'am?
Crust. That is the lithosphere. That is the outer layer, no? Crust. Yes, crust.
Ma'am, why, ma'am, we cannot live in mantle or core?
Because
Mantle core. When you go deep, because that is the outermost layer that has been available for us. Okay. When you go
Okay,
deep, okay, the temperature will be, as you said, the inner core temperature is very high, no?
5,000 degrees Celsius.
Yes. We can't able to survive in that also.
Yes, ma'am. Like another planets and all.
Oh yes, like another planet, we can say, because that heat maintain, whereas that is actually a good heat, okay, because it is maintaining the whole atmosphere of the earth. That is also a reason why the humans, we are able to survive in earth also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, that is also one of the reason, because when you see the earth is releasing its heat in form of, when you take in the high mountain ranges and all, okay, we can able to see some heat water, sorry, this hot water is coming out, gaseous,
Yes,
like we can, yes, so the spring and all. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
in the northern part, the Himalayan mountains will have, ma'am.
Yes, there are also some gaseous and springs and all there. Okay, so in that region, so it is exhibiting that is near to it. Okay, that is why it is exhibiting like that. Fine. So the inner core, maintaining the temperature is also a part of maintaining the good atmosphere on Earth. Okay. Yes, and also, have you seen that Ice Age movie? Ice Age movies? So in that, in the starting itself, it will try to take one thing and it will enter into the core of the earth. It will rotate the core.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen that one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, that is how the Earth's layer has been. Okay. Fine. Shall we move on to the next one? Is this clear till now?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I'll tell you once again. Okay. The outermost layer. Okay. Wait. So this is the crust. Outermost layer is called the crust, and the crust is the thinnest of all layers, and it is about 35 kilometers in the continental masses, that is in the land surface. Okay, and it is about 5 kilometers, only 5 kilometers in the oceanic floors, whereas that is in the presence of water, because water is taking that depth, no? So when you take after that land surface, touching the land surface from the land surface to the mantle, it is about only 5 kilometers. Okay, then the main mineral, it constitutes the main mineral, no? That is called as silica and alumina, that has been denoted as SiAl. That is silica. Si is for silica, and Al is for alumina. And next is the oceanic crust that mainly consists of silica and magnesium. Okay, that is SiMa and silica and magnesium. That is Si stands for silica and Ma stands for magnesium. Then what we have seen below the, it is the mantle, which has been extending up to a depth of what? 2,900 kilometers. Okay, it is below the crust. And the innermost layer of the core is the radius of 3,500 kilometers. So it is mainly made up of, that is innermost layer, innermost core. Okay, this is the innermost core that is mainly made up of what? Nickel and iron. So iron has been as ferrous here, that is NiFe. Ni stands for nickel, Fe stands for ferrous. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't understand.
You can't understand. Okay, we are talking about the layers only, how it is, what is being made up of. Okay, just go through this again so that you can easily understand. Okay, just wait, just see this one. Sorry. Just wait, Kanna. Just give me a minute. So what is SiAl?
Ma'am, silica, aluminum.
And alumina.
Yes, silica and alumina. What is SiMa?
Ma'am, silica and magnesium.
Magnesia.
Silica and?
Magnesium.
Magnesium.
Yes, very good. As NiFe?
Nickel, ferrous.
Iron.
Nickel
Ferrous.
and?
Iron.
Ferrous.
Yes, nickel and iron. That is the ferrous. Okay, yes. Just let me show you how it has been there in the continent. Okay. Continental crust.
Ma'am?
Can you see this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. So if you take this, just wait. Yes. Is this visible?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the continent and the oceanic crust. Okay. Continent and the oceanic crust. So when you see the continental crust, okay. So
Continental crust
continent
means
crust is
mountain.
nothing but the land. Okay. Land surface area. So when you
not
take that
mountain,
one,
miss.
yeah, we can take it as a mountain or else land surface also, everything. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. So in the continent, it is about what? Just now we have seen, no? In continent, it is about what?
Miss, that yellow color too, that ocean, it is about 5 kilometer long up.
Ah, yes, this yellow color, that is the mantle part. Okay, that is not the yellow color, that is the mantle part. Okay.
From that to that ocean, it is about long about 5 kilometer, ma'am.
Yes, it is about the 5 kilometers. This part,
Miss, and
no.
land, miss, and
This part,
land, that is brown color.
this part
Brown
is 5
color.
kilometers. Yes, this is about 2,000. 900
kilometers.
kilometers. Okay.
Miss, that is
Is this
mantle.
clear now?
Mantle thickness.
What?
Miss, that is mantle kilometer. Miss, 2,900.
Sorry. Yes, thank you for that. Okay, it is 35. Okay.
Motion.
Yes,
Water
35. What can I? 35 kilometers. Okay. This is about 5 kilometers and the crest. Okay, the crest is about 35. Yes.
Ma'am, red color is Koda, ma'am.
No, it is not a core. It is this is the mantle, and this red color part is the asthenosphere. Okay, which has been separating the mantle and the core. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. That layer is the asthenosphere that has been separating the mantle and the crest. Right? The core is below this mantle only, right? The core is below the mantle only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Innermost layer. Yes. So when you take the continent crest, see the land surface. The land surface is called the continent crest. The land surface is the continent crest. This is the continent. So in the ocean is nothing but the water surface. Where there is that is in the ocean regions, we have only 5 kilometers. Okay, 5 kilometers. Whereas in the continent, it is about 35 kilometers. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ocean means
Ocean means?
the sea, no, ma'am.
Yes.
Then oceanic crust in separately is having.
Yes, because below the ocean water, we have the land surface, no? Yes, from that land surface, it is about 5 kilometers to reach the mantle. Okay? If you want to talk there, you can mute yourself and talk. Okay? Yes. So below the ocean, that is the water, we have the land surface, no? Above the land surface only, we have that water, right? Ocean, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That land surface is about 5 kilometers. Okay? So each and every way, okay? Now it is not, all the things is not equal. Fine? All the ranges are not equal. So here and there will be an ups and downs, okay? In the kilometers, that is from the oceanic crest and in the continental crest also. Fine? So it is approximately given 35 kilometers and 5 kilometers. Is this clear? Is this clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
Just if you want, make a note of it. If you want, make a note of it.
Noted, ma'am.
Yes, fine. So next we are going to see about the rocks. Okay. Next we are going to see about the rocks. Okay. Yes. So rocks. What do you know about rocks and minerals? Next topic is about the rocks and minerals, because we want to know about how the crust has been there, right? Just now we have seen the crust. We are going to see each and everything in detail. Fine. So just now we saw about the rocks, right? That is the crust layer, right? So the crust comprises of what? Rocks and minerals. So what is that rocks? What is a rock and the minerals? What is it actually? Because the earth crust is made up of various types of rocks. Okay. So various types of rocks in the sense, any natural landmass, that is the mineral matter that makes up the earth's crust. Okay. That is called a rock. Fine. So any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth crust is called a rock. Fine. Any natural mass. Yes,
Miss, can you
Deeksha,
tell again, Miss?
you can mute yourself, Kanna.
Can you tell again, Miss?
Yes, Kanna. It's there in the slide, right? So any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth's crust is called a rock.
Miss, any natural mass of the earth, miss?
Yes, just see the slide. Any natural mass, because the earth crust is made up of various types of rocks. That rock is the any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth's crust is called a rock. Okay,
Miss, I cannot see the screen, Mr. Miss.
is that so? Just okay, fine. Any natural mass,
Yes,
I'll tell
miss.
you right now. Okay, any natural mass
Yes, ma'am.
of mineral matter
Yes, ma'am.
that makes up the earth's crust.
Miss, now visible my screen.
Okay, fine. Maybe you have some network issue, okay? Is that my screen is not visible to anyone? Is that visible or what?
Your screen is visible, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Maybe Harish, you will be having some network issue. Make sure of that. Okay, your network is fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Is that clear? So any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth's crust is called a rock. Whatever the minerals, maybe it may be a combination of some minerals also. Okay. It may be a combination of some minerals also. So in that, rocks can be of different color, size, and texture as well. Right? We have different types of different color, right? Size also it will be different, and the texture. It may be coarse, grain, like that. The texture will also be different. Right? So rocks and minerals, the earth's crust is made up of various types of rocks. Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the earth's crust is called a rock. Rocks can be of different colors, size, and texture. Okay, is this clear? Based on this, yes,
Ma'am, what is mineral, ma'am?
mineral is nothing but it is a combination, a chemical compounds. Okay, the combination of the chemical compounds.
Miss, that make up rock, ma'am?
Yes, that will combine together to form a rock.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
like
ma'am.
just now we have seen no silica,
Yes,
alumina,
ma'am.
like that. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
yes, fine. So we have different types of rocks based on the color, texture, and how it has been formed. We have different types of rock. Okay, there are three major types of rock. First is igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Make a note of it. Types of rocks. There
There are three types of rocks only, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes. The rocks, other rocks will come under this only. How it is formed based on how the rocks are formed. Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, igneous rocks are of two types, ma'am. Extrusive and intrusive, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Extrusive igneous rocks and intrusive igneous rocks. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Miss,
Yes.
and how metamorphic rocks are formed means igneous and sedimentary rocks under very high temperature and pressure is
Yes.
changed form. Miss, such change rocks are
One
called.
other. Yes, very good. Metamorphic rocks. So we'll see one by one. Okay. So there are three major types of rocks based on the formation, how the rocks are being formed. Okay. It may be categorized in different ways also, but how the major rocks are being formed, it is of only three types. That is igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What's the time now? It's 50, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we'll see the remaining thing tomorrow. Okay. What are the three different types of rocks? We'll see this tomorrow. Okay. So today what we have seen? So only with respect to interior of the earth and rocks and minerals. Yes, rocks and minerals and types of rocks. We didn't see what are the different types of. We have seen just known the what are the different types of rocks based on the formation, but we didn't see about the what is igneous, what is sedimentary, and what is metamorphic. That we will see tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Is that clear? Do you have anyone have doubt?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No doubts.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. No
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I'm going to give few questions for you so that you can attend those questions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just give me a minute. I'll just take that. Okay. Shall I say the questions?
Ma'am?
Yes. Shall I say the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So first question, two questions, okay? You'll be having two questions. First question. Just everyone is ready with your pen and paper? Shall I say the first question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Deeksha, you can mute yourself, Kana. It's fine. Shall I say the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A, B, C. First question. A, B, C, D, and E. A, B, C, and D, and E. 5 schools, okay? Are 5 schools facing towards north? Five schools facing towards north. A, B, C, D, and E are 5 schools facing towards north. A is in the, just Diya, mute yourself, Kana. Just I am saying the question only, no? Yes. So A, B, C, D, and E are 5 schools facing towards north. A is in the middle of E and B. A is in the middle of E and B. A is in the middle of E and B. E is to the right of B. A is in the middle of E and B. E is to the right of D. If C and D are at two ends, if C and D are at two ends, which school is on the left of C? Which school is on the left of C? So A, B, C, D, and E are 5 schools. Okay. Is my screen is visible?
B. B.
Wait. So there are 5 things, right? 5 schools. A, B, C, D, and E are the 5 schools. 5 schools that is facing towards what? North, right? Facing north. Facing north, okay? Then what has been given? A is in the middle of E and D. This is the first statement. So second statement is A is in the middle of what? E and
B.
B. Yes, E and B. Next, third statement, what has been given? So E is to the right of D. E to the right of what? D. Okay. Then the fourth last statement is C and D. C and D are at two ends. What is the question? Which school is on the question is which school? Which school is on the left of C?
Miss B.
Okay, this is the question. Try to make a note of it. Yes, we will discuss. Okay, we will discuss that now. Fine, Harish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Has everyone taken the question? Done or what?
Done, ma'am.
Yes, fine. So what has been given? A and A, B, C, D, E are the 5 schools facing towards north. A is in the middle of E and B. So we can write, okay, we can write in 2 ways. E, A, B, or else we can write B, A, E also. 2 possibilities, no? There are 2 possibilities, right? So then E is right of D. E is the right of D. D oda right la da E irukku, right? So D, if I write D here, it is to the left of D, right? Because everything is facing north. Yes or no? If I write D here, fine, it will be the left of E, right? Sorry, left of D. So E will be on the left of D. If I write here, okay, it will be in the right because it is facing, everything is facing towards north, no? So D. So next to C and D are at 2 ends. Yes, of course, D is here. So we can place here, right? Because only there are 5 persons, no? Only there are 5 persons, right? 5 schools, right? So C. So this will be the right order. What has been asked? Which school is on the left of C? So C is also facing the north direction. Okay. C is facing the north direction. Wait, let me take another cup. Yes. C is facing the north direction. So every school is facing the north direction means C, the right side will be this side, no? The right, and it is the left, right? Am I doing correct?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
E
Yes, ma'am.
is to the right of D. Yes. I have no, it is not. This is the left side. This is the right side. This is the left and this is the right, because that is why we have changed it. No, D's right side is E. So that is why we have changed. No, so this will be the right order. So we want to find what's the question here? Left of C. They are asking for who is the left of C. So who is at the left of C?
Miss B.
B. Yes, left of C is B. If I ask who is in the second left of C?
Miss A. Miss
B.
A.
Yes, very good. This is the first left is B. Second left is C.
A.
A. Okay, let's to the left of C. When we take with respect to C, it is in the second left. If I ask a question, okay, this is the order, right? Everyone is clear with the order, right? What is the order? D, E, A, B, C. Yes. D, E, A, B, C. In this, let me know who is in the third right of E. Third right of E.
Ma'am, C.
C is very good. So E is here. Everyone is facing the north direction. First right. This is the right side and this is the left side. The first right it is A. Second right it is B. And third right it is C. Okay. Third right it is C. Is this clear now?
Yes,
What I'm
ma'am.
saying is this clear? Yes. So let me check with another thing. Okay. Shall we do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who is to the second left of B?
Please, stop, please.
A, ma'am.
E. E.
Second left of
E.
B.
E.
Yes, I'm B. It is E, right? So here it is facing north, right? So it is the left side and this is the right side. If I take left, first left is A and second left is E. Is this clear now? So
Yes,
E is the right answer, right? Next, tell me, yes, tell me who is in the third right of D. Third right of D.
B, ma'am.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
B, ma'am. Ma'am,
Third right. I am asking about third right.
D.
Okay.
ma'am.
So it is D is here. So I am taking this right and this is the left now. I'm asking about the third right, right? So first one is E, second is A, and third right is B. If I ask the fourth right of D,
C, ma'am.
C, yes, very good.
C.
Fourth. This is the fourth right of D.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, is this clear for you, this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. You have any doubt, let me know that.
No, ma'am.
No others? What about others? Yuvraj, Darshan? You didn't answer today, Yuvraj and Darshan and all. Why?
Ma'am.
Yes, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, fine. Okay, fine, Kana. If you have any doubt, means try this one question and tell me tomorrow, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, fine. So we have seen with the, we have done with the types of rocks also. So tomorrow we'll be completing the types of rocks also, okay? So after that, you will be having a small test, fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Yes, fine.
Ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes,
Ma'am.
Kana?
Miss, regarding this, Miss Test.
Yes, regarding this only. So
Okay,
every
ma'am.
day we will be touching the intelligence topic. Each and every day we will be touching, we will touch the intelligence topic also. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Have any doubt, others? Whatever I have taken today, is that clear? We have seen only one topic and we have seen the introduction for the another topic. That's it. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can go slowly. Fine. But we want to understand it clearly, right? That's the main thing. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. So that's it for today. We'll meet tomorrow, okay? Just wait. That's it for today and we'll meet tomorrow, fine? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone take care. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Kana.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
Kana.
you,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
வாழ்க பாரதம் வளர்க பாரதம் வெல்க பாரதம்.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Yes. Kitana? Okay, Dhananya Sri, very good. Yes. So, Kitana? Kitana? Ma'am? Yes, we can end the class, Kana. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.